Hey Rabbit, can you set an alarm for 11:20, please?
Setting alarm for 11:20 a.m.
Nice. These are the options right here. Delete, repeat. What's that? All alarms. So that's cool. Is that a new feature? Woo! So I think it's a new feature in the settings. Brightness, sound, Bluetooth, network time, security, power off, enable, about compliance, factory reset. Okay, so it's not a feature right here, but it does remember your time, so that's cool. Let's see if it has anything to do with time. Interesting. Cool, so it just saves your previous alarms. I like that.